Welcome to Mississippi. We are starting our day in Mississippi here in Vicksburg, and the first thing we're checking out is the riverfront murals.
And then we're headed right down the street to one of the places that Coca-Cola was first bottled.
And after that, we are going to the National Military Park.
And then we're gonna end today by introducing you guys to some of our very best friends up in Oxford, Mississippi.
We are so excited.
Another state,
another vlog.
all the way back down the hill. There's the car. Because we forgot our mask. How many of y'all have done that? You got somewhere and you had to go back to the car for your mask.
A whole freaking year into this and we still don't remember them. Oh.
One day we'll get it.
Let's go. So this is what a soda fountain looked like in 1900. The Biedenharn family that originally owned this and were the first people to bottle Coca-Cola started here, and then they sold it, but then a few decades later, some more of their family members rebought this place and turned it into the museum. They used photos from the original setup to make it how it is today. So, cheers to the first place Coca-Cola was bottled.
What'll it be today?
One Coke and a date with you.
A day with me? Mm-hmm. I think I can manage that.
Want to share a Coke with me?
Yes. Except for I think we're fresh out.
All right, I'll take a kiss instead.
Put our empty bottles back. So we're here in the National Military Park, and this point behind me right here is the tallest point in the whole park, and this area right here is really, really neat because where the road is, there used to be a moat that would separate the Confederate Army from the Union Army. Pretty cool stuff. That's awesome.
It just like echoes forever.
So cool. All right, What'd you think of the national park?
It was awesome. There was a driving tour, which was really cool. It was a little weird at first. I wasn't really sure what to think because it felt like the first part of everything we drove through was just like, yeah, Confederacy. And I was like, that seems a little one-sided. But then we got to the other part and there was a lot more about the Union, and I think it had some good information.
Yeah, and plus, one of the cool things about it is like a lot of the locals and stuff you see out walking and riding bikes and bird watching and, you know, shooting photos of everything, and it's just really neat. It's really peaceful and it's a really cool place to check out.
Yeah, I would highly recommend it. We made it to Water Valley, and we're here with our friend Tessa and her husband Colton. Colton's making a fire while TJ's making dinner on the camp stove, and we're camping in their backyard tonight, which is fun. Tessa's my best friend. We met in junior high journalism, and we didn't really talk to each other until we found out our moms went to high school together, and then we became best friends, and we've been best friends ever since. So we're really excited to be here. And they're really awesome, and we're glad you get to meet them now. So I have the luxury of getting to cut up everything for dinner in a real kitchen tonight, thanks to Tessa. May have cut my finger, but Tessa took care of me, so we're all good to go. Man, those look really good, TJ.
You're wrestling.
Oh, TJ.
Whoa, did you get that on film?
Yes.
So Mary Catherine broke the microphone for the camera.
It was a complete accident.
She comes up, she's like, this thing is broken and it's inside your phone. So I had to like peel the little lightning adapter out of my phone. But
Yeah. And let me clarify, we have a better microphone for the real camera, but it doesn't shoot outside at night very well, so
Show it to him. It's
we're using the phone.
yeah.
Oh yeah, here's the microphone. And the little thing that plugs in the phone broke.
In the phone.
Yeah. But we have Girl Scout cookies. Oh, there they are. And we have great music. And great friends.
So we're running out of firewood, and Colton and I were trying to break that into a couple pieces, and we were literally like both jumping on it at the same time and couldn't break it. And so Colton busted out this thing. It's called a fire log by KFC.
Yeah, chicken scented.
Chicken scented.
And it legit
wood.
smells like chicken. Like, I can smell it right now. Sitting right here, I can smell it.
I've never heard of such a thing. It smells like chicken.
And hopefully it'll burn really well because it's a Yule log. That's what it's for.
Oh
boy.
No, not with your hands.
Well, what do you want me to use?
Something else.
Stick your hand in there.
It's so heavy. Is
Oh,
it
it's
made of
catching on
chicken?
fire.
What is this?
It's all the chicken inside.
I don't think it's made of chicken.
It looks like they took a bunch of...
It looks like recycled.
Yes, it's like all the little things they had chicken in that people threw away in the restaurant. They took it out of the trash can. They packed it together.
And sold it. They're geniuses.
And it smells like chicken when you burn it.
Good morning.
Good morning.
We normally don't get up after the sunrise, but We stayed up so late hanging out with Colton and Tessa last night, and we just wanted to take advantage of the last night on our air mattresses.
Yes.
Because those are going away today, officially.
It's a big day.
It is a big day.
We were like really excited to come to Mississippi, obviously. Like, it's been really fun, even though it's been short, but because we're here, we get to go through Memphis and go to REI on the way home.
That's right. We're taking you with us. Let's go. We made it to Memphis.
We're getting some new camping gear. I'm so excited.
New gear.
So we got a little bit more than just the sleeping pads that we went in to get, and it's really awesome.
But you'll have to watch the next video to see what we got.
Yep.
Let's go eat. Ladies and gentlemen, MK Nichols. Because you were like...
You want to film that part again?
No.
Okay, so now we're in a replica. Let me start that over. So this is...
So right now where we're standing in, hold on, what's the name of this park? I don't know if I can come in on this little...
You do it and I'll see if I can.
Right, yeah, stand on the edge of the circle.
Okay.
What am I doing?
Dough. It's been too long since I've been inside singing.
Good morning.
Morning.
We normally don't get up before, no, that's not right, let's try that again.
Yeah.
Oh. But you'll have to check us out in the next video to see what we got. Let's go geek. Let's go geek. Let's go geek.
Let's go.
So we got a little bit more than just sleeping bags. Okay, maybe you should do this.
Oh, we have a hole right here, and right above it, right here, and way over here, and right here.
This might be the last time we use this tent.
9 states.
Last 9 states.
Served us well.
I'm gonna miss you. Ozark Trail, blue tent from Walmart.